हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइलिंग। सो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं कि हाउ लिंक्डइन वी कैन यूज़ फॉर targeted audiences, and we are going to learn about the processes and simple hacks which you can use in LinkedIn to build in more and more connections in just 15 minutes. So let's begin with the live interaction session with Madhukar, who is there, and I want to also teach you about some hacks of how to start LinkedIn. So before I ask Madhukar to come online, I'll just show him some steps first so that he can get understand LinkedIn profiling, how LinkedIn works, what is the algorithm behind LinkedIn, and how can he build more and more connections. So without any other ado, let's start. Okay, so अभी हम लोग अपना screen share करने वाले हैं, but I'm going to talk about LinkedIn. So everything is going to be very open. So I think this is the LinkedIn profile. Okay, it's taking some time to load up. Yes. So the first and the most important thing for LinkedIn to build connections, आपको पास कोई connections नहीं है. How do you start connecting with customers? This is a very thing common which people really ask me about. So there are some simple hacks which we can really do starting from right now. And before I start about LinkedIn, I want to tell you about LinkedIn has an active users of more than 330 million users per day. So just imagine आप every day 330 million users को आप interact कर पाते हो. How do you do that? The most important thing first is to understand who is your target audience. If you're an employee, then you can connect by growing networks. How do you do that? You go to my networks. Here is just a basic profiling of how or what LinkedIn does is he'll give you some similarities according to when you create a profiling. That's why I say profiling is a very important part of any social media platforms. If you see, so when we create a profiling, LinkedIn gives us an algorithm or an automated profiling sequence by which we can start connections. That is why we need to understand that we need to create a perfect profile so that we can connect to the right audiences starting from day one. That is very important. Now if for example you have not created a proper profiling, it also happens to some people, right, who doesn't have proper profiling. So how do they connect to the right audience? So we go to this work section which is about 9 dots, and here what we do is in this 9 dots there are there are like seven of this very important things which is there in LinkedIn, and this is the most I presume this is the most important thing about LinkedIn. This is where the rock and roll happens in LinkedIn. Here you have the e-learning, which is a basic portal where you learn about LinkedIn, how to do LinkedIn ads, and all these things are there. But it's a very detailed subject. But today we'll talk about some 5 aspects of basic LinkedIn things. So what we start off with groups. This is a very simple thing which how to grow organic leads. Okay, very simple. So we go and we search for a particular group that is according to our niche, and we simply join the group. Like for my, I have so many groups because I am a financial expert, I am a digital expert, and so I have joined India's top digital marketing groups, and I interact with them regarding affiliate jobs and data entries. I give them solutions to their problems, right? So I have joined all these kind of groups, and I have also requested some groups which I'm because it takes around 24 to 72 hours for people to join the group. And as I worked in Amazon, I always like to prefer to target top companies. The advantage here is that when you target top companies, when you have a resume, like for me, I've worked in Amazon, so that is a very good resume for myself. So now what I do is that I will target those audiences on a particular company. So if I just go and I search, and hashtag is a very important part. In all social media platforms, if you don't keep the right hashtag, you will not get right audiences. It's a very important fact because it's about the hashtag by which you can connect to people. Now let me give a glimpse idea of hashtags. And if I write here hashtag digital marketing, now see the power of LinkedIn. What it will do is it's going to show me the top digital companies in LinkedIn. So this is the top one which is showing. So he's telling me that okay, if you want to follow, or you can even directly post. Like imagine I'm a financial expert. Like for example, I'm a financial expert. I'll type here finance, something to my niche. Okay, and see now when I say finance, there are multiple sections which come in here, like post, companies, people, job, groups, schools, courses, events, and services. Now you can decide according to your wish. So I'll go for groups first. Okay, before I go there, as you can see, there's this option called FinTech Magazine. So what it does is that it gives you the top posts of LinkedIn, the top global companies regarding finance. So you can obviously go and click here and you can join the group, you can interact with them, and you can build an audience. But what if I want to go for a more particular uh, selected one? So this is LinkedIn's top rated financial group, 4,38,000 members a year. So there's a group of 142,000 members. So there are multiple groups, 561,000 members. So what if you can join 10 groups? So initially what you need to do is that you need to join at least 10 groups a day. For the first 10 days you need to have at least 50 groups according to your niche. It's very important because steps here is that I want to build organic audiences. When I build in money, when I get growth, I will invest money on LinkedIn ads and I'll bring in leads. But the concept here is that how you can bring organic leads. So if I was in your position or anybody, I would just I would choose and see the members. And what I see generally in a group is, when I click on a group, the most important thing which I see in a group is, let it open, I'll just show it to you. What is the activity? What is the ratio of activity around the group? That is what I see. Means in if I scroll down in the next half an hour to 2 hours, how many posts have been activated in a particular group? That means it's an active group. You see, in 1 hour, in the last 1 hour, there have been around 10 posts in the group, and you can see the recommended ones. So it's a very active group. So I would join such a group which is very active first, because what it helps me is that I can introduce myself here. And if I was a person, what I'll do, I will take a video of myself. I'll just take a random video of myself and I'll just post it in the group. Hi, this is Arindam here. I'm very happy to be a part of this chief finance officers group, and I'm really happy to serve you all. So hi, this is, and give a small 2 minutes introduction about yourself, and you start nurturing the group. It's very important. Other point is that the poll section, I'll see. Okay, so here and one more and the best hack to build connections quickly is, you see the connections who are there. You see the connections here, and you can make out that you do little bit of research. It's important because it's organic and you're not investing money. So the beauty of here is that you do a bit of research and find out people who would be in your target market, and personally message them with a standardized message. What I mean by standard message is that you can see live that I have received so many messages from some companies, and like, so this girl, she's from from a very reputed company. Okay, she is from Bada Business, Vivek Bindra's company, senior marketing manager. She has personally messaged me because when I was growing my influences, she came in contact with me a few days back. So the beauty is that I am building a connection with her right now. If you can see Khushbu, if I go into her account, she works for Bada Business, which is a very famous uh, company, right? Because you all know Vivek Bindra. So she is an employee of that company. So I am getting connected with so many people here. And recently, when you can see my messages, I recently sent a PDF of my thing about what I do to this girl. She is from UK. So I'm building connections. If I now she is starting off with 375 connections, but that's a step by which we start growing and growing and growing. So take out markets who are in your niche, and I've also made some private groups where I interact with them. What I do is that I post some videos, I post some taglines to them, I keep nurturing them. And another thing here, you have to keep nurturing people and also make people join the group. So now in the next one day, I made 34 people my dedicated customers. How did I do that? Some people will come, some people will go. That's not the point. It's a 80-20 rule. If you bring 100 people, 20 people will stay, 80 people will go off. That's how business works. But that you should not get demotivated about. Make groups like this. Select the person who you want to make a group. Just don't randomly build connections. So as I was going through what I see, I'll go to this. See, I'm not right now making a blog, a free tool to start a digital business in 2022. I'll be like launching it in another 1 hour after I finish this talk. So what I do is that I'll go to these groups and I'll join those groups and I'll go to the connection part of those particular groups. Correct? Why I go there? Because I want to build a personal connection with them. And before starting a personal connection, you need to have a standardized message. It's not that hi hello, no. Like this color, send me a standard message. Hi Arinda, would you like to try WhatsApp marketing for your company or client? Highest ROIs. Imagine the power of reaching out to lakhs of people directly in their WhatsApp. Price ranges from 12 to 6 paisa per messages. So make a standard message. Uh, she is directly marketing, so that is not the right way, because I don't know her. If she's directly sending me these messages, then I'll not appreciate it. Give up uh, a welcome message. Hi, thank you for making me join your group, and I would like to know about more about you, and I am a financial expert. So could we catch up when you something which really builds a connection with the audience is very very important. So that is the first hack. Then again go to the work section, go to the service places, because ultimately you will be giving services also, right, to your customers. So now you search what services would you like to give. Like like right now Madhukar is there in the one-to-one, so she'll be most of like a financial advisor kind of a thing. Correct, if I'm not wrong. So now what you see is that you see people, they're like 1 lakh 1 lakh. So these are people who are in the service advisory person. You can search by location also. But here what you can do is that if I was in your position, Madhukar, what I do, I would see what this exactly this guy is doing. What is his total profiling? How is he, like, as an audience, what is his profiling? Or if I type here any top people, right? I sort of wait Shurojit. Okay, this guy is a digital expert who is in my niche. Okay, he has just built this company in 6 months. He's showing his income, how much he has earned. He has earned around 22 lakhs in just a year. How has he done it? Let's look at his profiling. Let's look at his profiling. He's giving a direct call to action here. If you see this section, this is called the call to action section, where you inform the customer what it is all about. Join the 21 days digital marketing workshop. He's giving a direct call to action, and he's giving that I'm a digital expert marketer. He's building his own brand, and he has more than 52,000 connect followers. That means he has more than 50,000 connections also. Correct? He has done it in exactly 1 year. He had only 1 lakh rupees annual income just in 2020. I was talking to him a few days back. He's from Orissa. So he told me he's like very down to earth person. He's of our age. So he was telling me that with this I just did was follow the algorithm of LinkedIn. I was 1 year consistent. Now if you see my profiling, just for the example, I have made people realize what I am. Now if you click here, see the difference between him and he's using a premium version, a paid LinkedIn profiling. I'm using a free version, but the profiling is very important. But I'm giving a direct call to action. Join my 2 hours landing page domination. It's a live interactive online session. I'm telling what I'm good at: digital marketing expert, Instagram automation, YouTube mastery. I'm giving complete information about the things, and I'm also telling people what I'm serving, what is the service which I'm providing. Right? So I'm giving a full call to action that this is a service which I'll be providing to my customers. So it's not about the page. Even if you have a page, even if you're promoting a page, that page has to be complete. And about section is very, and whatever skills that recently I've got this Instagram automation skills. So whatever skills you get, you have to post, keep on posting. Like Right now I'll be posting a Google Mastery post which I just earned a certificate right now, just today morning. So whatever should be there in the feature section, keep on posting, keep on posting new things. And the about section should be very very good. It talks about the idea of what you actually want. What is this profile all about? Who are you? I'm giving my real story here. Why I want to be a like digital AB, means why am I calling myself this one? Correct. So it's about my section. So if you read the section, you understand that how I got the idea of becoming a digital expert, or this I've chosen this profiling. There has to be a message. Like I'm saying that I've worked in Amazon, still people are frustrated. So I realized that I should do something that would make people make happy in their jobs. So that is why I want to help working professionals to convert their skills. So you need to talk about your company or the page which you have been working for, and what is your goal, why are you working that. There has to be a connection built with your audience. So when they read about my about section, they will know, okay, Arindam is willing to do this, and for that reason I will join him. If these things has to be complete, because this is the profiling page. Yes, I just built like 100 connections in just 2 days. I was about around 130 or 140. I was not taking it seriously. In 2 days or 3 days I got around 250 connections, and I'll be growing it to much more. So yes, so if I can get 100 leads in 2 days, just imagine the power of LinkedIn. Just imagine the power of LinkedIn. So first is join groups, build connections, and see you're getting so much of notifications. Means people are appreciating whatever you're posting. There has to be value addition. Don't post marketing strategies. People feel what they directly post. I have a webinar, join the webinar. Nobody is interested to join your webinar. What is the value you're giving? Give value first. Give 2 3 5 6 values. Post at least consistently value, that okay, if I go to Madhukar, if I go to random John or anybody, Neha, whatever, what is the value that I'll get from this person? Never post, it's a request to each and every one of you who is going to see this online later on. Never post your marketing in LinkedIn starting. Once you grow a connections of more than 500 to 10,000 connections, then you start selling your services. First you give your value addition, because people do not know, are you qualified enough that I would listen to you or not. What is the value addition that you're giving? Like look at my account. If I open this, people get, okay, I am in this. That is my value addition. So that is why profiling is so important. Directly they'll open, they'll see, okay, this guy is mastering this, and I'm also giving proof of that, because I'm showing with my certificates. Just making a page, that is why there are 33 million users, means 33 crore people are using LinkedIn, but only 5 to 10% make us successful, because they are not giving value. That they are giving sales pitch, they are giving value first. They're talking about the subject, they're talking how it will really help, why should I take it, and then you tell them, okay, come and see this value. Like if you look at this ad, it's a LinkedIn talent solutions advertisement. Now see how they have written: find and engage more than 750 potential candidates. See, 750 potential candidates for employment. Now look at, if you are looking, so then let's look at the amount of market audience which we have here. And they're giving a very build your brand and make your market, giving a small tagline, because LinkedIn, it's, see, now LinkedIn doesn't need to give value. Yeah, they have given value by giving us this community, right? Now if LinkedIn does any sales, everybody will accept it because they have made a value. But if I'm a person, I would say, okay, let me go and check Madhukar's profiling first. I'll check the person. Okay, self-employed. What kind of self-employment? Nothing is there. Profile has to be better. There has to be a background image. means what you are doing, what means this providing service is okay, but this has to be more and more elegant. What is the highlights, what is the featured section? Nothing is here. It's full empty, full empty. See that, see, I'll tell you. Look at this guy's account. And look out your account. Look at the brightness, look at the information that he has given here, look at the things that he is showing, look at what he is doing, look at the posts that he has given. It's complete. If you go to the about section, it's so much he has written, how he has become a in this line of work he's giving. So it's, see, the main thing is that this profiling, it gives that clear picture. So जितना आप उसको highlight करोगे, because you have to show which is authentic. Like if I take any famous person, mm, Madhukar, can you give me an example of any person which you are following in finance? Any top person? कोई तो होगा. Okay, let me see this guy's profile. See, everybody is giving Spark, C, author, lost founder, and they are profiling. Everything is profiling. भाई करते क्या हो, what is the takeaway, about section, experience कितना है, ये बहुत important है. ये जगह जो है ना, this is called the about section. This is the most important thing. Highlight होना चाहिए. Let me go to Gopal Krishnan. Let me find if he's there. Okay. Okay, so this is Siddharth's profile, which we all know about. He is very famous, and see, he's giving videos, he's posting videos, he's giving a blog. The thing is that he's giving directly international best-selling author. Standpoint, image, ये background होना चाहिए. Highlights, about section, and क्या 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 featured section है. He's giving everything. He's promoting himself. अरे भाई, जब प्रोफाइल मेरा होगा तो मुझे अपने आप को प्रमोट करना है ना. Why will I promote somebody else's talent? People are going to see you, not somebody else. अगर कोई पेज है, सपोज यू आर मेकिंग अ पेज, तो पेज को भी वाइब्रेंट होना चाहिए. गॉट इट? सो यू फॉलो पीपल हु आर दिस थिंग. जैसे सौरभ जैन, हाँ मैं इसका सोच रहा था. यस, सो ही इज टेलिंग सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानर. देखो क्या क्या दिखा रहा है. दिस क्या, इन दिस व्हाट वी गेट एन आइडिया, he is a financial wellness cinematics. That is his work profile. मुझे उतना ढूंढने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, इससे पता चल जा रहा है. और he is certified financial planner. And about section सिंपल रखा है but very clear. And so और ये फीचर सेक्शन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि क्या क्या आपने किए हो, क्या क्या आपने किए हो, what is your background story. Similarly, what I just go to this, make changes. ऊपर में एक पिक्चर लगाओ, यहाँ पे क्या, nothing is there. Give more information about what talents you have. Highlight section में कुछ है ही नहीं. About section में looking for a target based. This is not profiling. This is not profiling. ये पूरा about section को change करो. This will not work. It has to be more and more vibrant. Okay, let me go to the financial freedom page. Yeah, what investment? Make it more clear. अबाउट सेक्शन में गिव मच मोर, हाँ यहाँ पे जैसे यूज़ हैशटैग्स ऑल्सो, यहाँ पे हैशटैग्स यूज़ करो, यहाँ पे हैशटैग्स यूज़ करो, अपकमिंग इवेंट्स को और भी ब्रॉडर करो, ये जो शेयर सेक्शन है इसको और भी शेयर करो, पोस्ट करो, मेक इट मोर लाइवली. दैट इज़ हाउ यू क्रिएट मोर एंड मोर कनेक्शंस. So I think it gave you a lot of input, correct? Work on this, make. And LinkedIn का सबसे बड़ा एल्गोरिदम होता है ये अबाउट सेक्शन. What you do, what is the page about, follow other pages and see what they are doing different. नहीं, if I go to these groups, ये भी तो एक पेज ही है ना. So why is there so many people in this group? कुछ तो बात होगी ना. They're posting regularly. Correct. So यही है कि make changes, make it, use Canva for this. It's a very good tool. Use Canva, उसको और भी highlight करो. And this is the takeaway for this session is that how you build connections. So पहले ये करो and then we can meet again next week and we'll talk for this for the next 15 days first. Build connections.
Okay.